and the first vision I had of him was he was wearing underwear, and he was boiling soba noodles, and he was boiling soba noodles, and he also had these little sausages that he'd cooked, and that he was biting little bits off and regurgitating onto a toothpick and feeding this bird that had fallen out of a nest, like a little baby bird. So he was trying to revive this baby bird, and that was like the first thing I saw was him like trying to revive this poor baby bird. It was just like a Leonard Cohen moment, and I was in his underwear, and I was like, okay.
Sausages.